Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. Today I'm announcing a new update for the Echo RSS Feed Post Generator plugin. If you have used it until now, you might have seen that it was not able to parse in very rare occasions some feeds. And this was because the SimplePie library that it uses is not able to parse some rare RSS feeds that have some issues in them. So today I added a new update to the plugin, and if you click here settings, you will see feed parsing method to use. This will be the first setting that comes up, and here you will have some options. Default, use custom SimplePie library, use WordPress built-in SimplePie, and Echo RSS Feed Parser. This is an experimental new feature of the plugin. So by default, the SimplePie will be used, which is selected here in the main settings of the plugin. And if you check here, use custom SimplePie instead of the built-in one. So if you check this checkbox, the default will be set as use custom SimplePie library. But if you uncheck this, then the default settings will be use WordPress built-in SimplePie. So this will be the value of the default settings here. However, if you choose one of these, you will see that the plugin will use the SimplePie library that you choose or its built-in RSS feed parser. So let me go ahead and show an example. This is an example feed which is not working with SimplePie. So this was an example feed that was not able to be parsed until now by the Echo RSS plugin. So if I run importing here, it should fail because, as we can see, it failed because the custom SimplePie library is used. Let's use also the WordPress built-in SimplePie library. It should also not be able to parse it and to get posts from it. Okay, but now let's use the Echo RSS Feed Parser, which is a new feature of the plugin. I implemented an RSS feed parser and I'm still working on this feature because this is a SimplePie alternative, which, as you can see, will be able to parse also feeds which were not able to be parsed by SimplePie. Okay, so now let's check our site and we should see our WordPress post here, because this is the source and this is the post that was generated. Okay, so this is a quick update for the Echo RSS Feed Post Generator plugin. You will be able to select here RSS Feed Parser as an alternative, but I recommend that you select this only if the SimplePie libraries are not working for the feeds that you are using. So keep in mind, you will have an option here. If you encounter feeds that are not working, please check also if they are working with Echo RSS Feed Parser experimental version here. Okay, so this is all for today. I hope you will enjoy this new update. Until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.